Hi, this is Mark Reiner from Silent Inflammation Lab. Today I read peer-reviewed studies on these 6 foods may quietly repair your mitochondria. Let me share what surprised me most. Right now, countless adults over 55 are experiencing a silent decline in energy and cognitive sharpness, often dismissed as just aging. But here's what nobody is telling you. The core issue might be happening at the cellular level in your mitochondria. These tiny powerhouses dictate everything from your energy levels to your brain function, and research has shown that targeted nutrition can lead to improvements like a 53% lower rate of brain atrophy or a 12% gain in muscle strength in just months. What I'm about to show you goes against everything mainstream advice tells you about generic multivitamins, focusing instead on real powerful foods. I'm Mark Reiner, and welcome back to the Silent Inflammation Lab. Today, we're diving deep into the science of mitochondrial repair. The insights I'm sharing are drawn from cutting-edge research published by institutions like the University of Oxford, Mayo Clinic, and Tufts University. We'll be exploring 6 everyday foods that may quietly repair your mitochondria after 55. Forget those generic multivitamins. These foods pack a specific scientific punch. Before we begin, this is not medical advice. I am sharing what peer-reviewed research suggests. Always speak with your doctor before changing your routine. Let's start our countdown at number 6. Spinach. This leafy green powerhouse, along with other dark, leafy vegetables, is a fantastic source of B vitamins, particularly folate, and also provides vitamin B6. These B vitamins are absolutely critical for a process called methylation, which is fundamental to healthy mitochondrial function. Specifically, they play a key role in managing homocysteine levels in your body. Homocysteine is an amino acid that, when elevated, can become toxic to your cells, leading to oxidative stress and mitochondrial damage. The connection between B vitamins and brain health, which is deeply intertwined with mitochondrial function, was powerfully demonstrated in the VitaCog trial. This landmark study, published by Smith A.D., Smith S.M., DeJager C.A., and colleagues in PLOS One, in 2010 involved 168 adults aged 70 and older who were experiencing mild cognitive impairment. Over 24 months, participants who received a daily supplement of folic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6 saw their annual brain atrophy rate reduced to 0.76% compared to 1.08% in the placebo group. Even more strikingly, among those with baseline homocysteine levels above 13 micromoles per liter, brain atrophy was 53% lower in the active treatment group. This foundational evidence links B vitamin sufficiency to brain tissue preservation, largely through its effect on homocysteine. So how does this relate to your mitochondria? When homocysteine levels are kept in check by adequate B vitamins, your mitochondria are better protected from oxidative damage. This allows them to produce energy more efficiently, reducing cellular stress and supporting overall cellular health, especially in the brain. Think of it as ensuring your cellular power plants aren't running in a toxic environment. But here's the catch. While spinach is rich in folate, many older adults can have suboptimal vitamin B12 absorption due to factors like reduced stomach acid. So while you're loading up on spinach, it's wise to ensure adequate B12 intake from other sources or discuss supplementation with your doctor to truly maximize this mitochondrial benefit. For its crucial role in protecting your cellular powerhouses, I give spinach a score of 7 out of 10. Coming in at number 5 on our list is wild salmon. This magnificent fish is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fats are not just good for your heart and brain, they are fundamental building blocks for healthy mitochondrial membranes. Think of your mitochondrial membrane as the outer wall of your cellular power plant. If that wall is weak or damaged, the entire operation becomes inefficient and prone to breakdown. Research has highlighted the profound impact of omega-3s on mitochondrial function in older adults. A study by Lalia A.Z., Dasari S., Robinson M.M., and colleagues published in Aging, Albany, NY in 2017 investigated older adults aged 65 to 85. Participants supplemented with 3.9 grams per day of omega-3s, EPA plus DHA, for 16 weeks showed significant reductions in mitochondrial oxidant emissions. This means their mitochondria were producing fewer damaging free radicals. The study also found increased rates of mixed muscle, mitochondrial, and sarcoplasmic protein synthesis, indicating improved cellular repair and muscle-building capacity. Notably, the researchers also observed that baseline maximal mitochondrial respiration was lower in older participants compared to younger ones, underscoring the age-related decline that omega-3s appear to help mitigate. So by incorporating wild salmon into your diet, you're essentially providing your mitochondria with the premium materials they need to maintain strong, flexible membranes. This allows for more efficient energy production, reduces the leakage of harmful reactive oxygen species, and supports the overall resilience of your cellular powerhouses. It's like giving your power plant a structural upgrade and a cleaner burning fuel source simultaneously. But here's the catch. Sourcing truly wild salmon can be expensive, and farm-raised varieties often have different nutritional profiles, sometimes with lower omega-3 content and higher inflammatory omega-6. Also, proper cooking methods are key to preserving these delicate fats. Gentle baking or steaming is preferable to high-heat frying. For its direct impact on mitochondrial structure and function, wild salmon earns a score of 7.5 out of 10. Next up, at number 4, we have beets. These vibrant root vegetables might be an acquired taste for some, but their mitochondrial benefits are undeniable. Beets are particularly rich in dietary nitrates, compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide, or NO. Nitric oxide is a crucial molecule for cardiovascular health, promoting vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body, including to your cells and, critically, to your mitochondria. The impact of nitrate-rich beetroot juice was explored in a study by Raubenheimer K., Hickey D., Leverett M., and colleagues, published in Nutrients in 2017. In 12 healthy older adults with a mean age of 64, consuming just 140 milliliters of nitrate-rich beetroot juice, containing 12.9 millimoles of nitrate, led to significant reductions in systolic, diastolic, and mean arterial pressure just 3 hours post-ingestion. Furthermore, the study observed a decrease in monocyte platelet aggregates and CD11b expressing granulocytes, indicating reduced inflammation, and a significant elevation of plasma nitrite at 3 and 6 hours. This provides clear evidence for acute anti-inflammatory and vasodilatory effects, all mediated by the nitrate-nitrite NO pathway. For your mitochondria, this increased nitric oxide availability is a game changer. NO helps your mitochondria use oxygen more efficiently, meaning they can produce more energy with less strain. It essentially optimizes their performance, making them more resilient and less prone to damage from oxidative stress. This improved efficiency is vital for maintaining energy levels, supporting cognitive function, and reducing the cellular inflammation that often accompanies aging. But here's the catch. The nitrate content in beets can vary depending on soil quality and growing conditions, so not all beets are created equal. Also, some people find the earthy taste of beets challenging, and cooking methods, especially boiling, can reduce the nitrate levels. To maximize the benefits, consider consuming beets raw, lightly steamed, or juiced. Given their potent ability to enhance mitochondrial efficiency and reduce inflammation, I'm giving beets a solid 8 out of 10. Moving on to number 3, we have mushrooms, especially varieties like shiitake, oyster, and king oyster. What makes these fungi so special for your mitochondria? It's a unique antioxidant and cytoprotectant compound called ergothioneine. Unlike other antioxidants, ergothioneine has a special transporter that allows it to accumulate in mitochondria, where it acts as a master antioxidant, specifically protecting these cellular powerhouses from oxidative damage. The long-term benefits of ergothioneine were highlighted in a large prospective cohort study published by Smith E., Ottoson F., Hellstrand S., and colleagues in Hart in 2020. This study involved 3,236 participants from the Malmo diet and cancer cohort, with a median follow-up of 21.4 years. The findings were compelling. Each 1 standard deviation higher plasma ergothioneine level was associated with a lower risk of coronary disease, with a hazard ratio of 0.85 and a p-value of 0.01. Even more significantly, it was associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular mortality, with a hazard ratio of 0.79 and a p-value of 0.002, and lower all-cause mortality with a hazard ratio of 0.86 and a p-value of 4 times 10 to the power of -5. The researchers noted that mushrooms are the dominant dietary source of ergothioneine. So, by regularly consuming ergothioneine-rich mushrooms, you're providing your mitochondria with a dedicated bodyguard. This unique compound helps neutralize harmful free radicals that are a byproduct of energy production, preventing damage to mitochondrial DNA, proteins, and membranes. This protection supports their optimal function, enhances energy output, and contributes to cellular longevity, which in turn impacts your overall health and resilience as you age. But here's the catch. Not all mushrooms are created equal in their ergothioneine content, with certain gourmet varieties generally having higher levels than common button mushrooms. Also, cooking methods can influence the retention of this compound. Gentle sautéing or steaming is often better than aggressive frying. And of course, make sure you're getting edible, cultivated varieties, not wild ones unless you're an expert forager. For their unique mitochondrial protection, mushrooms score an impressive 8.5 out of 10. At number 2, we have a truly fascinating food, pomegranate. This vibrant fruit is rich in compounds called L-glutanins. While L-glutanins themselves are beneficial antioxidants, their true mitochondrial magic happens when they are metabolized by specific gut bacteria. These bacteria transform L-glutanins into a molecule called Urolithin A. Urolithin A is a postbiotic that plays a critical role in promoting mitophagy, a cellular process that cleans up old, damaged mitochondria and replaces them with new, healthy ones. The power of urolithin A was demonstrated in an exciting randomized controlled trial published by Singh A., D'Amico D., Andro P.A., and colleagues in Cell Reports Medicine in 2022. This 4-month RCT involved 88 middle-aged adults. Participants receiving 1,000 milligrams of urolithin A or Mitopure daily showed significant improvements in muscle strength, increasing by approximately 12% compared to placebo, with p-values ranging from 0.007 to 0.029. Furthermore, peak VO2, a measure of cardiorespiratory fitness, and performance in a 6-minute walk test significantly improved in the 1,000 milligram group, with p-values less than 0.01 and less than or equal to 0.018, respectively. The study also found significant reductions in plasma acylcarnitines and C-reactive protein, indicating improved mitochondrial efficiency and reduced inflammation. This process of mitophagy is absolutely essential for maintaining cellular vitality, and especially as we age. Without efficient mitophagy, old dysfunctional mitochondria accumulate, becoming sources of oxidative stress and inflammation, dragging down your energy and contributing to cellular aging. By supporting this cleanup crew, pomegranate, through its urolithin A precursors, helps your body continually regenerate its mitochondrial network, leading to better muscle function, improved endurance, and reduced systemic inflammation. But here's the catch. Not everyone has the specific gut bacteria required to convert L-glutanins into urolithin A. The amount of urolithin A produced can vary widely between individuals, meaning simply eating pomegranate might not always provide a consistent or optimal dose for everyone. For its groundbreaking role in mitochondrial renewal, pomegranate and its urolithin A precursors earn a remarkable 9 out of 10. And now for our number 1 food that may quietly repair your mitochondria after 55, walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are truly a nutritional powerhouse, offering a unique blend of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, along with a rich array of polyphenols, vitamin E, and other micronutrients. It's this synergistic combination that allows walnuts to exert powerful anti-inflammatory effects that are crucial for safeguarding and supporting mitochondrial health. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a silent enemy of your mitochondria. It creates a hostile environment where these cellular powerhouses struggle to function, leading to damage and inefficiency. Walnuts directly address this by reducing systemic inflammation. A sub-analysis of the WAHA trial, published by Kofan M., Rajaram S., Salavila A., and colleagues in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2020, provided compelling evidence. This study involved older adults aged 63 to 79 with approximately 600 participants who consumed 30 to 60 grams of walnuts per day for 2 years. The results showed significant reductions in a panel of inflammatory biomarkers, notably IL-1 beta, IL-6, IFN gamma, and TNF-RI compared to a control group. While high-sensitivity CRP did not change significantly, the broad reduction in these other key inflammatory markers underscores walnuts' potent anti-inflammatory action. By consistently integrating walnuts into your diet, you're creating a cellular environment that is less inflammatory and more conducive to optimal mitochondrial function. This reduced inflammation protects mitochondria from damage, allows them to produce energy more efficiently, and supports their natural repair processes. It's like turning down the heat in a strained engine, allowing it to run smoother and last longer. The ALA in walnuts also contributes to healthy cell membranes, including those of mitochondria, further enhancing their resilience. But here's the catch. Walnuts are calorie-dense, so portion control is important to avoid unwanted weight gain. A handful a day is usually sufficient. Also, the beneficial omega-3s and polyphenols can be sensitive to heat and light, so proper storage is key. Ideally, keep walnuts in the refrigerator or freezer to preserve their potency. For their comprehensive anti-inflammatory profile and broad spectrum of mitochondrial supporting nutrients, walnuts top our list with an outstanding score of 9.5 out of 10. So there you have it, 6 powerful foods that may quietly repair your mitochondria after 55. To recap, our countdown was, at number 6, spinach, for its vital B vitamins that manage homocysteine and protect your brain. Number 5, wild salmon, for its omega-3s that build strong mitochondrial membranes and reduce oxidant emissions. Number 4, beets for their nitrate to nitric oxide pathway, enhancing mitochondrial efficiency and blood flow. Number 3, mushrooms with their unique ergothioneine, acting as a master antioxidant, directly protecting mitochondria. Number 2, pomegranate, for its ability to promote mitophagy through urolithin A, clearing out old mitochondria and making way for new ones. And our number 1 food, walnuts, with their exceptional blend of anti-inflammatory compounds that create an optimal environment for mitochondrial health and repair. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, make a conscious effort to incorporate at least 3 of these 6 foods into your daily diet. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 3 that appeal most to you and are easiest to integrate. Take a photo of yourself today. Just a quick selfie. Then in 30 days, take another one. Pay attention to how you feel, your energy levels, your mental clarity, your overall vitality. You might be surprised by the subtle yet profound changes that nourishing your mitochondria can bring. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, share this video with someone you care about, and subscribe to the Silent Inflammation Lab for more science-backed insights into optimizing your health as you age. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next chapter, where we'll delve even deeper into the hidden enemies of cellular longevity and practical strategies to overcome them. Thank you for joining me today. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. If this changed how you see this topic, consider subscribing. We're quietly building a library of research-driven explorations into how aging actually works inside the body, and how the simplest daily choices may matter more than the most complicated supplements.